introduction of TigerTec, and then we can follow that by a walkthrough so we can do a demo of your machines.
TigerTec, we work on the CNC machines since 2009 in China, and we focus on different kind of CNC machines. We worked with SIGNTRADE since 2014, 11 years already. I can show you the machine later. Hi, now let me introduce our CNC fiber cutting machine. This one we use a 6 kilowatt fiber saw. You can cut aluminum, steel, stainless steel. And the machine running very fast. The speed can reach 140 meters. Acceleration can be 2 gigabit. You can get a high resolution and good finishing. Now let me show you another machine. This is a multi-function machine. You can use as a standard router and also have oscillating knife, CCD camera. Also you have the functions for packaging. This is a sample